Hi, I'm Georgina Wilson and I'm coming to you live from Dubai. So I want to give you a little bit of inspiration today. I don't know what you have faced, I don't know what you have been through, and there's some reason maybe why you feel really down, but I'm here to tell you that you can get back up. So no matter what's going on, you are unique, you have something to offer this world. We need you to get back up. Dust yourself off and arise, get back up.